Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to claim your Amazon Prime student discount. This is a fantastic way for students to enjoy all the benefits of Prime at a fraction of the regular cost, including free shipping, streaming services, and exclusive deals. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account settings to claim this discount. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account. This will take you to your main account page where you can manage all your settings and preferences. Once you're on the account page, look for the option labeled Prime and click on it. This section is dedicated to everything related to your Prime membership, including upgrades, renewals, and special offers like the student discount we're claiming today. In the right panel of the Prime page, you'll notice a link that says, "Are you 18 to 24 years old or a student?" Click on this link. Amazon provides this special pathway to help eligible students and young adults access discounted membership rates, so this is exactly where you need to be. Next, scroll down the page until you find the button that says Start Your 6-month trial. This is the entry point for the Prime Student Program, which gives you a generous 6-month trial period to experience all the perks of Prime before you're charged. Go ahead and click on this button to begin the registration process. You'll now be asked to fill out a form with some required information. This includes your name, the university you're attending, and your expected year of graduation. Amazon needs this information to verify your student status, so make sure everything you enter is accurate and matches your official records. After completing the form, navigate to the Payment Methods section. Here, you'll select your preferred payment method. Even though you're starting with a free trial, Amazon still requires a payment method on file so they can charge you once the trial period ends if you choose to continue. Choose the option that works best for you, whether that's a credit card, debit card, or another available method. Finally, click Continue to proceed with your registration. Amazon will process your information, and if everything checks out, you'll be enrolled in the Prime Student Program. You can now enjoy 6 months of free Prime benefits, and after that, you'll receive a discounted rate as long as you remain a verified student. And that's it. You've successfully claimed your Amazon Prime student discount and unlocked all the perks that come with it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.